That's the wrong way. Yeah, what's up guys? So today I'm going to take you to this place. Of course, when you're in Los Angeles, so you have to visit Hollywood, right? So I'm going to go and take you guys to Hollywood. So this is the interesting part, guys. It's all like, you know, tarred wired so that nobody can cross it. Even this other side. Wow, it's like I'm walking, you know, in a cell, man. Crazy. Let's go, boys. The first stop is Union Station, so you can't say that's a Union Station there. So I just go from here and I'll be there. Here we go. We enter into the Union Station. This is so good. As the Union Station, guys. It's so interesting. It's different watching in the daytime. So this takes me to the different side, mostly the Metro Link. People smoke here, man, inside the thing.
The next stop is Civic Center, Grand Park Station. 20 or 720.
Hey, what's up? So this is the North Hollywood. I don't know, I'm just walking on the street. There's like something, you know, just checking out the street. It looks interesting. Cool. I found some theater, home of 68-cent crew theater company. Wow, it's for lease. Things like, looks like the theater companies are closing, you know, theaters closing. Wow. Wow, man, a lot of people are out of business. Wow. Check this out. Art Directors Guild. So what I'm exactly doing is that I came to the last station in North Hollywood and I'm just walking down towards Universal Studio, towards you know, everywhere, Sun Boulevard, everywhere, whatever I can see. So today the whole day is for that. But I can see the flight going. Yo, let's go! Hello, what's up? I'm really good. What do you guys have for me?
We have everything for you.
Oh man, this donut looks awesome. Oh man, bagel. Hello. Yo, here we go. There's a donut and this is a shop. I got some Thai milk tea with boba. Looks like jammed. shit. I forgot. Oh man, this is so soft. Oh man, this is so soft. Really good. Wow. Wow, chef, this is magic. Ooh, it's hot. Yes, because it has jalapeno.
Yeah, this one jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Ooh.
Jalapeno bacon.
Cool, chef. Take care.
Alright.
Hope. Oops. That's Tesla, guys. Tesla. Ooh, the electric car. This side is pretty hot, man. I want to cross the other side. Whew. I saw like a couple of people just crossing, so I may try to cross it now. Yes, yes. Crossed. Check out these trucks, man. So cool. Check this one. Ooh, modified. Check out the tires. Whoa, this is scary, man. Seems like somebody's sleeping. This is crazy, man. People are sleeping. People are like standing in the a street and they're just shouting at this car, guys, and like yelling at this people. Whoa, man, this is crazy. Ooh, super. Wow, this church looks good. It's beautiful. Wow, this is good. Now everything is 99 cents. You know, I thought that everything is 99, but it's not. Let's go. Not everything is 99. The concept is the last digit will be 9. So if it's like $4.99, not $5. But of course there are stuff which is 99 cents. Interesting. Los Angeles River. This is a river, guys. Cemented river. Literally cemented, man. Wow, it's crazy. That's the Universal Studios. Gate number 2. There's a Hall of Walk, buddy.
Like practical life.
Hey Mike, say hi. You are in my vlog.
Hi.
I'll send you the link.
Alright.
Take care. This is the Hollywood Walk of Fame. I'm walking, man. Crazy. Check this out. Wow. Hollywood Boulevard. And you can find homeless everywhere. This is crazy. police blockage. Something happened out there. They're not allowing people or anyone. Guys, this city is like full of action, you know, like people on the road and the peeing and all this thing. People wearing different types of dresses, and suddenly now the police barricade. Oh, this is fun, man. The whole traffic is blocked. Awesome. There's a photo shoot happening here. Woo! Crazy. Hey. This is a party happening on the road, buddy. Whoa. People are roaming in the middle of the road.
Big homie, you already got watch it. I'm gonna do it again. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Sir, can I bet 50? Show me 100. Watch it. Watch the ball. Watch it. Only the ball, just the cash. Watch it. Anybody. You're free, boss.
That's a baseball ground. Ooh. Or NFL ground. National Football League. Aspire to inspire others and the universe will take note. Awesome. Okay guys, this is Sunset Boulevard. So interesting because the sun, whenever it's setting, it's hitting this place. Wow. International Cinematographers Guild. Whoa. Awesome.
Oh no, that's not the media. You got to remember the media is on an agenda. It's not journalism, it's bullshit. Brainwashing you every morning and night, every time you turn on the news, getting ready to go home from work.
This is one of the costliest places in LA. Wow, the houses are so good, the apartments are so awesome. This was established at 1961. Ooh. So guys, this is Sunset Boulevard. Somewhere there is sunset. I think I should go and check it out. I'm so tired. Very tired. Let's cross. Yo, actually this is Sunset Strip. Ooh. The sun is setting there somewhere there. Whoa, so good.
For free, right?
Yeah, a lift is free, you know, like hitchhiking. Hitchhiking to nowhere, wherever I feel like going. Yeah, what's your name, buddy?
My name is Ricardo.
Ricardo. Nice meeting you, Ricardo. What about you, buddy?
Juan.
Juan. Okay, and by the way, thank you for this awesome, man. I appreciate, I'm telling you.
All the time.
Guys, I'm telling you, like, you know, a lot of people told like, hey, in US you can't get a lift, you can't, people are like, oh, like, no. You go with a good intention, you will always meet the best of the best people, you know. All the humans
Right,
are awesome.
right.
Right, Ricardo?
That's right, my man.
Yeah,
That's how it is.
man. Oh, cool.